I'm testing out some of this Bakerpan fondant today because I've seen people start to buy it more than they had, and this is the black. This is an artificial vanilla flavor. It just tastes like the fondant flavor. You know, it doesn't taste like anything different that I could notice. And I did want to see what the base color of this is. I put a little bit of it in some water, and it looks like this is very blue. If I'm, it's either, usually fondant is either like a green or a purple. And this looks like it's more on the blue side. So if you're mixing this with something to change the color of the other fondant, this is going to have a very blue tint, and you just need to take that into account when you're mixing it. And when they did send this to me, it was in just a paper envelope that had no padding or anything, so it did get hot and it was softened. If you get it and this is soft, it feels kind of mushy in the package, leave it alone, don't open it up. And once it solidifies, you can take it out. This does work well in molds. I've been testing different colors. And it's a good black. So just be aware that it has a blue tint. And that is going to take something, you need to take that into account when you're mixing this if you're changing different colors of fondant and mixing them together.